Look at this thing. This is a package I got in the mail from Postconsumerexhaust, better known to us old school PCEers as CWilliamG. Now, I tried to think of different things I could have done for this video. Wearing a mask and dancing around and drinking a beer, even though I don't drink beer, and playing music on a little transistor radio. But I'm sure you guys don't want to see me do that. You just want to see what he gave me. I mean, I already spent enough of my time like imitating the CWilliamG voice in real life, as I'm sure all of you do. So you don't need to hear that. You just want to see what's inside here. So let's open it up. I mean, let me open it up. You won't be helping. You'll just be watching. Don't worry. I've got skizzers. And I know how to use them. Kinda. Trying to do this without without effing up, basically. Oh man. Can't wait to see what's in this thing. I don't know how to open an envelope. Come on, envelope. Start opening. What the crud? Some strong glue. There we go. This is CWilliamG packing peanuts right here. Alright. There we go. The jumbo pack. The PCE jumbo pack. And that is indeed motherfucking real. All the catchphrases on there. Oh my god, this is the best day of my life, I think. I'm going to try to go through this kind of fast just so it doesn't go too long, because I had a video not work because it was 20 minutes and yeah. Is it even recording? Yeah, okay, we're good. I do not want to F this up. I also don't want to F up the packaging because it's like a nice little souvenir. I already see Conseco. Alright, there we go. Wow, each card individually sleeved. Here we go. I'll move this stuff out of the way. Conseco All-Star. Dave Winfield. If you're a long-time viewer of CWilliamG, you know that Dave Winfield owes some dude $4 for a necklace or something. I don't even remember that story, but it was pretty funny. Wearing his warm-up jacket. Alright, next up, my team represented. I don't know if you can see the colorful hologram action, but it's a Red Sox logo. Come on, Bassomatic. Can't tell if you're seeing it in this light. Anyway, whatever. The Chicken Man Boggs. 90 Tops. Bobby Bonilla. We just chilling. Got a Barry Larkin star card. Oh my god. Classic 80s guys. Here's like a slightly more modern. Well, isn't that funny? I think of 1989 as like way more modern than those 90 tops because it's upper deck. Anyway, Chris Gwynn, brother of Tony. I think. Gary, the late Gary Carter. Record breaker. What record did he break? Career putouts. Nice job. Joe DiMaggio hit streak number 32. Game number 32. He had a single in the first inning, in case you're curious. He's like part of a puzzle piece from the War and Spawn. Am I still recording? Yes. Jim Abbott, he has less than 2 hands. The Dog of Crime, Frederick McGriff. It's like a Pete Rose through the years type card from 86 tops. That's pretty cool. Eddie Murray, classic Oriole. Wow, Griffey Jr. National something card. I'm not familiar with the... Oh, National Baseball Card Day, Upper Deck 06. I think I missed that day. The Unit. Fleer stickers. I feel like Orioles and Red Sox were always together in those. I'm opening a box of it right now looking for a fuckface Ripken. And I keep getting the Red Sox Orioles stickers. Not to say that I don't appreciate the CWilliamG version of the same card. Oral Sacks. Every time I think of Oral Hershiser, I just think of like in the 80s saying if he married Steve Sachs, he'd be Oral Sacks. And they were teammates, so it kind of made sense. George Brett, taking a dump and talking about it. Tapered at both ends. Michael Jack Schmidt, Hall of Famer. Gary Sheffield. Whenever I see Sheffield or Jeffries, I know I can put my kids through college with it if I just hold on to that card for about 6 months. Neon Dion. Here's the back. The late Kirby Puckett. Still can't believe that dude died. Carlton Fisk. A favorite of me. Even though he's in a White Sox hat. Diamond King. Delano DeShields. Oh, he could have been like a bigger star. Didn't really work out for him. Harold Baines, who my friend and I used to call Blind and Deaf. Actually, he came up with it. But I don't know. He just had this theory that Baines was blind and deaf, and he'd stand out in center field, and like a guy with like some kind of reflective device behind the plate would like signal to him, and he would somehow catch the ball like that. Darryl Strawberry, CWilliamG favorite. Can't believe he gave me a strawberry. Wade Boggs again. Dieck with Oakland. Julio Franco, who some dude on my Little League team used to call Franco Julio. Probably wasn't alone. Bo Jackson with the White Sox. Another 89 tops strawberry. Wow. Giving up the straws. Robin Ventura, #1 draft pick. Gowdy Frank Thomas. Ozzie Smith, defensive gems. It's all silvery and whatnot. Here he is again. Tony Gwynn. Danny Tartable. Once appeared on Seinfeld. Sweet Manny. Tops 08. This looks like extra special, but maybe it's just because it's like newer. '87 Tops Carter. All-Star. Dave Justice. White Sox. Crazy hologram design. The Large Hurt. He's on the Blue Jays. Upper deck. The Hawk. My hands are full, so I can't do that thing. That like Wayne and Garth thing that they did to Alice Cooper. Barry Bonds. This looks like Roger Clemens with a huge mustache. I'll read you the back. The word going around says the fake mustache is to hide your lip movements from umps and TV close-ups. You know, so you can curse and not worry about fines or ruining your public image. Answer. That's a lot of bleeping bull bleep. And it ain't no bleeping fake mustache. Question. Oh, what's the real story then? Care to tell us? Answer. Sure. Read my bleeping lips. Oh, that Baseball Inquirer. I kind of didn't follow that even though I was reading it. Rhino. From the town of CWilliamG, Chicago. Or general Chicagoland area. More Eddie Murray action, slightly later in his career. 88 score, I think. Yeah, 88 score, the first year of score. Jim Abbott. We've got 2 Jim Abbott hands in this pack total now. Tyler Green, draft pick. He's going places. Ozzie Smith, crazy gold card. What is this? Oh, it's Pinnacle. Late 90s Pinnacle action. Wade Boggs on the Rays. The Crime Canine again. 3 Jim Abbott hands in 1 pack. What are we at? 12 minutes? I gotta speed this thing up because I don't want this video to like not work. You don't get a mascot card in every pack. There's the Fanatic. Bryn Smith. He's a Diamond King? I guess he was that year. Maybe it was just based on the beard alone. Jeffries. I gotta get a Jeffries and a Sheffield in this pack. Now both my kids can go through college. Free. Free of charge. They won't even take... I don't even have to sell them. I'll just give the college these cards. I'll be like, here you go. Here's the tuition. Insert Jeffries and Sheffield tuition here. Anyway. Who the hell's this? Oh, it's Dykstra. In front of a newspaper. More Boggs action. More unit action. Biggio. Greg Maddux. Real autograph. I'll just tell everybody that. Ah, sweet music. Trying to not make the thing, you know, whatever. Talk. Winfield. $4, $4. Robin Yount. My neighbor used to not be able to say Yount. I'm like, dude, it's just Count with a Y. He's like, Robin Yount. Yount. Tigers. That's kind of cool because I can see the reflection of the thing and the thing and the thing. Look at that tiger head. More Ozzy. You gotta love the Wizard. Actually, some Cardinal fan told me he's like a dick or something, but we both have the same last name. We both enjoy fielding in the middle position, in the middle infield. And we're both Baseball Hall of Famers. Tom Glavine. From Mass, I think. Is he from Mass? Those 3 Brave pitchers that were good, like... I always remember like one could have been on the Red Sox. And then Steve Avery later was, but like he stank at that point, but... Yeah, I think Glavine is from Mass. Barry Larkin. 89 tops. The Bash Brothers. Another Bo. Another Boggs. That one with like, it looks like it was like the class picture where there's like several heads all going together. I remember Ingrid Rutten used that in her class picture. There was like one photo of her like here, like looking straight ahead, and then like one here, like looking to the side. It's also like an internet meme with that dude that he's like a killer kid or whatever. I don't know. Don't listen to me. The unit on the Expos. Another puzzle piece. This is the Yaz puzzle. Daryl. What do you know? Another Jim Abbott. What do you know? Another Jim Abbott. Abbott-tastic toward the end there. And the Winfield and Ozzy close it out. It's like a Winfield, Ozzy Smith, Jim Abbott, Wade Boggs hot pack. Alright, so thanks to PCE, Postconsumer Exhaust, formerly known as CWilliamG. Always CWilliamG in my heart. Thank you so much for sending me this for no reason other than I just responded to your thing. And keep making videos and whatnot. And you fans at home, keep watching his videos and telling your friends about him. Do it now before he becomes the next biggest internet sensation and whatnot. Bye.